Hello, 5th grade students, boys and girls. This is our last video, so we're going to start. Eyes open number 4, presentation plus, and we're going to turn unit 4, fable of food, and the page is going to be 49. Okay, now listen. In this part, we're going to talk about writing activities, and the activity to describe a local dish or describing a local dish. Look at the photo and read the description on an internet forum. Okay, this is the photo. And there is a map, Cornwall. Okay, what is the dish La Morna describes and what is it made from? Two questions. What's the name of the dish and the ingredients? Okay, let's see. Excuse me, let's see. I live in Cornwall, in southwest England, and we have a lot of delicious local food. But our most famous dish is the Cornish pasty. Okay, what is the name of the dish? Cornish pasty. A traditional pasty consists in thick pastry in a dish shape, no, filled with small pieces of steak, potato, onion, and an orange vegetable called sweet. Okay, and what are the ingredients? Okay, the ingredients are pieces of steak, potato, onions, and another vegetable called sweet. Then it's baked in the oven. Pasties are usually served hot on their own and are easy to eat without knife or fork. Many years ago, Cornish workers used to eat pasties for lunch. Nowadays, tourists eat them on the beach. You can eat pasties all over Britain, but unless they are made of Cornwall, they can be called Cornish pasties. Local pasties shops sell pasties with many different fillings, like curry chicken or cheese and onions. So if you want to try a real Cornish pasty, get down to Cornwall. Okay, now let's see. What's the name of this dish? Remember or don't remember? Cornish pasty, no? And the ingredients: pieces of steak, potato, onions, and an orange called sweet, no? A vegetable. It's a vegetable. Now let's see. Read the description again. In which paragraph does Lemorna talks about these things? Which two things in the list doesn't she mention? So there are many. There are eight, nine, no? The ingredients, where the food is from, who eats it, why people like it, where you can buy it, the history of the dish, how it's cooked, when you eat it, and how easy or difficult it's to cook. So here I have the same activity. Now here is the reading, paragraph 1, paragraph 2, 3, and 4. And what do you have to do? Where the food is from? So you decide 1, 2, 3, or it's not mentioned. It's another possibility. Okay, so this activity is going to be done in our classes. Okay, so get ready. We continue this part with useful language, cooking and eating. When we write about food, we use phrases to describe the ingredients and how it's cooked and eaten. For example, a traditional pasty consists of, no, in this part, we are trying to get ingredients, no? It contains vegetable and meat. It's another form. It consists of or it contains. It's served with salad. They are fried in olive oil. No, in this case, giving instructions. Okay. Look at the useful language box. Find similar phrases in the test. No, for example, a traditional pasty consists of. Okay, is here maybe the same idea or maybe something similar. No, It contains vegetables and meat. It's here, yes, where we saw the ingredients. Really? It's served with salad. They're fried with olive oil. Let's see. Look. No? Filled with small pieces of. Then it's baked in an oven. But unless they are made in Cornwall. There are some of the sentences. Okay. Now let's see. Okay. Here I have one activity, 6 sentences. Says complete the sentences with the phrases in the box. Baking, fill with, consists of, making, contain, serve with. You know what is bake? Fill, consist, make, contain, serve. Let's see. A traditional Sunday lunch is vegetable and roast potato. Is bake, is fill, is consist of, is made in, is served with. Mix all the ingredients together and then the cake in the oven for half an hour. Could be bake. Okay, bake. Mix the ingredients together and then bake the cake. Bake the cake in the oven. No, remember baking. Next, this was only one word. What's that? Consist? It's a possibility. Ravioli are pasta squares. Meat or cheese could be contained or consist. Consist of, okay, possibility. It's a simple dish with rice and vegetable. Made in, served with, contains, okay. Only cheese that is actually cheddar can be called cheddar cheese. I don't I don't eat many sweets. They too much sugar could be contained. Okay, you have to. You can say a traditional Sunday lunch is served with. Okay, and here you have only cheese that actually filled with cheddar can be called cheddar cheese. Let's see, this is a possibility. I'm not sure. We are not sure if that is the correct answers. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3. No. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 3 are not correct. So what are you going to do? Easy. You're going to try again. But we're going to do this activity in our classes. Okay? So you have 3 answers and 3 are missing. Sorry, 4 answers and 3 are missing. Okay? This is going to be for our classes on Friday. Okay, the idea for this class is writing, and this part says get writing. For writing, you have 3 parts: the plan, the write, and the check. For example, if we talk about the plan, choose a local or traditional dish to write about. Use the list in exercise 2 to make notes. Exercise 2, the ingredients. No? About the dish, you choose where the food is from. Cañete, lima, chincha. Who eats it? No? Who eats it? Children, adults. Why people like it? Because it's delicious, because it's traditional. Where you can buy it? In a restaurant, in the park. The history of the dish. No, in this part you need to search about the dish. How it's cooked. No, the way. Maybe in family, like pachamanca in the land, no? Maybe in a grill like a parrilla. When you eat it, maybe a special moment, a birthday, a holiday. How easy or difficult is it to cook? No, easy or difficult? No. So with this information, you can start your plan. Now, number two. Number two says, write your description for the internet forum. Write your description for the internet forum. Use a note from exercise 5 and a model to text to help you. 5. No, what is 5? This one. No? And check. No? Have you included all the important information from exercise 2? Exercise 2. No, so you need to complete. Have you used phrases to describe different aspects of the dish? So maybe you can use those phrases, maybe you can add extra and you can get a better activity. No? Remember, it's going to be writing. Also, this activity is going to be your your homework. Okay? If you start this activity and you finish, you can send it like a like a homework. If you don't, you're going to do it. Okay, class, we're going to finish here. Hope you like the video. And that's it. See you on Friday. Take care.